In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Trello board background. It's a simple process, but it can truly transform your workflow environment and make your boards more visually appealing and personal. Let's dive in and explore this step-by-step guide together. First, we need to navigate to Trello.com and log into your account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Logging in will take you to your Trello workspace, where you'll see all your boards neatly arranged. Next, go ahead and click on the board you want to customize. Choosing the right board is essential because this is where you will see your changes come to life with a new background. Once you're in the board, your current background may be plain or perhaps ready for a refresh. Look to the top right corner of your board. You will see 3 dots. Clicking on these 3 dots opens up a menu of options dedicated to customizing and tailoring your board. It's here where the magic begins. From this menu, you'll want to select the Change Background option. This selection brings up a variety of avenues for customizing the look and feel of your board. It's this flexibility that allows you to really make it your own. Now let's talk about those options you can choose from. First, there's the Photos option. Trello has integrated with Unsplash, providing a stunning image gallery filled with high-quality photographs. Browsing through this selection might inspire the right look or vibe that suits your project or team spirit. If photos aren't your style today, you can opt for colors. This choice allows you to select a solid color background. Sometimes a minimalistic color can offer the best contrast for your lists and cards, keeping things simple yet effective. For those who prefer an even more personalized touch, Trello offers a custom option. Here you can upload your own image. This is perfect for displaying company branding, favorite wallpapers, or any artwork that resonates with you. Ensure your uploaded image is formatted correctly and of good resolution to maintain quality as the background. After you've settled on a choice, be it a photo, color, or custom image, simply select it. The great thing is, once you make your selection, the new background is applied instantly. You'll see it right away on your board, enhancing the visual experience. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you now know how to change your Trello board background, adding a personal or professional touch to your workspace. Enjoy customizing your boards and making them uniquely yours. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.